All right, that should be good. Should be able to start the YouTubes as well. See if that's working. Nice, very cool. And hopefully very cool as well for YouTube. Nice. Okay, and then we should yo, what up? What was I gonna do? Oh right, I need to turn this on. Whoops. Teej in the morning. What up, Kathy? Raconic, Ilzian, Cure in code. Oh, that's gonna probably be that might be a problem, but that's okay. Well, I think it'll be all right. All right, we'll see if I changed some stuff on my home network. What up, Ferret? I deleted via. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. This is probably just gonna retry forever. Maybe it'll just stop after a little bit. It's got the wrong. It's got the wrong URL, but I think it's gonna be okay. It just won't connect to. That's okay. Does anyone have a theme song they can test right now? Start a new project, or did I miss a stream? We're gonna test. We did not get one, did we? Okay. Here, one sec. Hodl chat. Let me go over to here. Oh, do I? Oops, RG192. Do I have this somewhere? I do. Okay. Runtime. I don't know. Can I just turn OBS off really quick? Because why is it not connecting to anything? This one keeps dying. Let me check my children, or my, what is that called again? Server? Oh man, it's been a little while. OBS, no. Runtime, route, no. Endpoint, nope. What's the main thing called for Phoenix? What is the thing that, I don't even, it's just called Mixery? No, what? I don't remember what it's called. To the main thing that controls my main like process thing. Shows that you have one viewer for me, and let me say the honor is mine. Monkey Front. No. It's like is it? Yeah. Where does that live? Why can I not remember? It's not like it's been that long. What's the special name? Mixery server. It's not that though. It's the thing that actually starts it. We can just look for where I said OBS, right? Application. There we go. All right, so I think we can probably just take that off. And let's see if now we're gonna get... All right, someone say something. Here we go, we'll try again. Someone say something. Testing, Ram, test again. Test again. Oh wait, I can test. Hello?
Mary Kate and Ashley.
Okay, it's got me.
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. I was 8 when I met Mary Kate.
It's weird that it got me and nobody. Well, let's see, I guess.
I do use Vim over Emacs.
Oh, God help us.
Maybe. Oh, could be a race condition. Ram, maybe you're coming. Ram, what happened to your theme song? Oh no. Theme song, Ledger. Oh, maybe it thought that it played. Let me see. Here, we'll try this. Yeah, or it like thought that it played and then it reloaded. We'll try again. Ram, say hello. Yeah, fair. Yep. Okay, we're so back. We're so back, chat. Teach auto run Lua. Coincidence? I think not. Okay, nice. Okay. We're so back. All right, so what are we going to do today? John Hammond already did terminal QR code already. I don't know who that is. Feels like someone that I probably should know who that is, though. Go mod init. What do I want to call? I feel like we need a funnier name than just like QR and code or go QR. Term.
Well, good luck on your date.
Oh, true. Good point. No, I was just scrambling because we were getting theme songs back running, but we're back. Add everyone. Coding. Live. Golang. Yuck. Sure, no cable. I can't. Dax said no. Otherwise, I would have. Dax said no. And I don't know how we deploy anything for terminal.shop. So I just told him that's fine. Have you considered that Dax is cringe? I've already considered that part, but the deploying is important. You know what I'm saying? Term QR. Ooh, term QR. I like that. Term QR. Oh, don't I need to do like github.com, TJ DeVries, term QR, something like this? Corfy. Kofefe. Kofef. There's gotta be a way for us to turn this into a QR somewhere. You know? Querfefe? Querfefe?
I won't love it, but I love Dylan.
It kind of feels like Querfefe. Actually, I have looked a little bit at Eiffel. I've never written anything with it, but I've read about it. Kovkur. 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 I do like the thought of making Dax type this repeatedly. I'm pretty sure it's not taken. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm pretty sure we're safe in terms of this being a Golang package. Like, I don't think we're gonna have very many namespace conflicts here. So that part feels good. You know what I'm saying? It's like I'm trying to get out of the way and make sure that that's fine. Go bum 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 bum. Or Kofefe backwards. Ooh, that's going to be too tough. It's either this or Kerfefe. Kerfefe. Kerfefe is pretty close to Kofefe. You know what I'm saying? Both of those are good. It's kind of a tough call, chat. Kerfuffle. I'm not cooking. You are not cooking, Beaver. Oh, dang, Nate. Hey, Nate. I just watched a thing about Astro. That kind of makes it seem like that was a paid advertisement. I just opened an Astro repo. Nice. Programming is easy. Naming isn't. No, OCaml, not for. Well, we might still do some today, but we'll see. An unpaid chill, exactly. Okay, we'll do Kerfefe. I feel like Kerfefe is pretty good. My ideas suck. Yeah, that's true. I forget how to do this every time. Why go and not Rust? This is really teaching. It's for terminal.shop. It's for our front end. I gotta write some Golang for the front end. Okay, chat? Is this 8? Oh, I don't like that. We got to switch that up. Vim dot. Set dot tab stop is 4. There we go. Not even Lua. Kerfefe. What's the meaning of the word? So it starts like this. Here, I'll explain. We are selling coffee, right? Coffee to Kerfefe to QR code to Kerfefe. Obviously. There you go. It's like that simple. Oh my goodness. 420 dollary dues? What's the E in front of this mean? Yo, thanks, Yogurt. Appreciate it. String theory confirmed. That better be in the help. Exactly. What's yours? I think it's called like powered rocket ship or something like this. Official pronunciation. We're saying Kerfefe. Pronounced Kerfefe. Like this. Kerfefe. Something along those lines. Maybe, or more like this. Unsubbed mod. I know. Tell me about it. Needs ISO pronunciation guide. True. Oh, chat. What do I just need to make terrible names for things, and that's how we can get everyone to give subs? I don't understand. An IPA. Reported that is standard out on each run. Yeah. This sentence. Terrible name. Hype train. Then it's truly a scam train. Truly a scam train. Even YouTube chat sent me $4.20 with an E in front of it. Does anyone know what this means right here? I'll sub when Teach pays me. True. 4 pounds. I weigh much more than 4 pounds. There's a YouTube chat and I read it. 9% API framework names are awful, so you're on the right track, I guess. Yeah, it's fake money. True. Okay. You gain 4 pounds. I've been trying to lose 4 pounds since the second time my wife got pregnant, because then I gained a lot of sympathy weight. Haven't lost it yet, chat. We're working on it. We're having our 3rd kid now. When's the last time you hit the gym? Literally this morning, 5:30 a.m. Not a joke. Not a joke, Beaver. You guys have to promise not to tell. You have to promise not to tell the Laravel people about it. Okay? Because you guys know we're gonna play. Announcing my. We're gonna play basketball, right? Oh, thanks, honey. We're going to play basketball against the Laravel people. Terminal Shop versus Laravel. You guys know? You're aware? Were you on ketamine? I've never been on anything. The Lambo gang. Because we're going to do Laracon. I don't remember if we talked about this yet or not. We're going to do a 5v5. Me, Dax, Prime, Adam, and David. That's our 5. I don't know who we're playing against yet. We're going to hopefully live stream it. Do lots of shenanigans. At Laracon. At Laracon. No, Prime's too little to be center. Chat, come on. He's our small forward. Okay, so I've been playing somewhat regularly, but we have 10 weeks or so or whatever. So I'm going to try really hard. Actually, David's the tallest, I think. I didn't go to open sourced. So I've been playing, but I got a gym membership so I could go and run drills by myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, I literally was just in the gym. I'm just practicing form. Running up and down the court. That's what I'm saying. I think I'm playing shooting guard. I think I'm going to have to take point, though. I'm not sure Dax can be trusted to dribble the ball up the court. Dax, I'll be honest. Dax is the one I'm most worried about. Okay? What kind of you went? Maybe next year. I don't know. Dax is going to be Luka. I don't think so. I'm not worried about Adam. Adam played. Oh, by the way, chat, have you guys seen this? I'm so excited for our next round. I'm so excited. It's like so... Oh, man. Light roast win. Nightshade, we have a light roast coming. Cool design, but decaf. Yep. You know what? It turns out some people like to drink decaf. You know what I'm saying? We have a dark roast coming, and we also have a light roast and a medium. When we launch the shop, which is hopefully soon. Okay, so here's the team. Here's the team. You can tell. Prime, small forward. When light roast, that's what I'm saying. Next one, Nate. We'll have a light roast in the blend. Maybe we'll drink non-alcoholic beer. That would be me. Small forward. That's what the position's called. That's literally what the position's called. So, chat, please don't tell the Laravel people, because I'm worried they're gonna train too. And then I don't know. What if we get smoked? David, I think, is like 6'4" or something. Does Dax got handles? I don't know. I think Dax only got put as point guard because he thinks he's gonna call the shots. You know what I mean? But I'm not confident in this. So this may have to be swapped. You know what I'm saying? Dax like thinks that he's gonna be point guard. He's literally gonna be Michael for this never happens to me. What is wrong with me today? What is wrong with me today? Like this kind of situation. You guys know what I'm saying? I actually have no idea of Dax's skill level. That's currently my biggest unknown. I've played basketball with Prime. I think Adam played in high school at least. And David, I think, also played. And he's also practicing a little bit too. Chewing stream. Picking knob, going through the night. What up, Caleb? Oh, Caleb, you're by Dallas, right? You'll probably be able to come to the game then. Because we're going to be playing against the Laravel people. Arrays start at 0. Drew. Basketball. 5v5. I still don't know who we're playing against, though. Yeah. Get out is close to Cambridge, yeah. I stopped drinking occasionally on a beer, so non-alcoholic. Yeah, I also don't drink alcohol. I don't know if I haven't really decided if it's like 100% strict never ever, but I don't ever drink when I'm like out and about. I don't know. He's taking your mom on a date. Got only alcohol for Father's Day. Nice. Chat. Okay. I wanted to tweet this, but then I felt like there was no way to talk about it that basically didn't sound like that was just like bragging. And I really don't like bragging about real life stuff on Twitter. I do like memeing about stuff, but I don't care about doing it on stream because I'm excited. So on Friday, oh yeah, bragging coming. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know how else to say it without bragging. But on Friday, my son and I went up and we did like a little boys camping trip with some of my other friends from my church. So we each had our sons with us. And we went to Taco Bell. So obviously win number 1. I don't brag on Twitter. I don't mind doing it here. So that's win number 1, of course. And he's 3. He dominated. Oh my goodness, Louis. He dominated the jalapenos. First off, it's hilarious. He's like, I like the way they tickle my tongue, which is so funny because he's 3 and he's just destroying some jalapenos. But the best part of the whole thing, and it was so nice for, oh true, I'll take it off here so I'm not on Twitters. Oh, Louis. What happened? Oh, Louis, you must have lost your sub. You don't have it anymore. The best part of it, especially for Father's Day, was like I was just sitting there, just me and my son, and then this older lady walks by, and as she's leaving, she just stops me, and like we're just sitting at the table. She just goes up to me and she says, I just wanted you to know you're doing a great job. I practically like melted into the floor. I was like, oh my goodness. It was like, oh baby. That is not. I was like, is it drafty in here? It's the jalapenos. Oh, it's the jalapenos, chat, you know? So that was really good. That made me feel really good, chat. Dude. It was so awesome. I was like, thank you, old lady. I didn't say thank you, old lady. But you guys know what I mean. I use Kickstarter. It's awesome. Well then, it's important. Thank you, old lady. You couldn't be a day over 35. But then I had Neil. He always asks, why? What you guys saying? So yes, what are you saying? He's like, oh, she just said that you're like really nice or something, and had her talk to him for a while, and he told her that we were going camping and stuff. It was very funny. He's a sweet kiddo. Oh man, 35 is old? No, that was the joke, chat. She looked much older than 35. I'm saying I'm 30. Okay, I don't think 35 is old. I think 35 is very young. Just starting out your prime. Not the prime time. He's well past, you know what I'm saying? But use Kickstarter, got Clang D extensions. Nice. Sorry, I'm just cutting up a little chicken. So anyways, I've been training. I'm 30. I am, yeah. Buy their hot sauce from a hardware store. Dude, Pick. He was upset. He was upset that some of the nacho cheese sauce got on the jalapeno because he was like, I want it to be spicy. You know, so he was like, I don't want it to be toned down. Oh, dang. Hey, thanks, Kath. Appreciate that. How are we teaching your kids? Okay, I'm already started. You went to school with Prime? No. We met through streaming stuff. How are you so cracked at coding at 30? You gotta practice a lot. Old pans are the ones that produce the tasty food. Nice. Next up, a 3-year-old eats ghost peppers. Dude, I don't know. I think he could handle a lot. He was just eating jalapenos raw. Just cracking up. And that, yeah, it was so funny. I wanted to tickle my tongue. I started coding about when I was like 20. I'd never really coded before then. I started at the end of my sophomore year of college. Did you regret the next day? Well, I will say I regretted giving him the jalapenos while we were camping. I don't think he cared. Do we call it PC? Computer?
Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. I was 8 when I met
My son's Mexican.
same day that I met Ashley.
Oh, that's funny. Yo, what up, Alexi? Go. What language is that? This is Go Lang. Go Lang. We're gonna figure out QR code stuff, but now I'm eating, so we'll just wait till I'm done eating and then we'll start. One thing, is it okay that I'm 29 and I'm not very fast and great at coding? Yeah. That's okay. You can still be a good person. What are your son's specs? 3'6", 35 pounds, all muscle. Can run a mile in faster than I can. I actually have no idea what his actual height is. You know what I mean? Iron stomach. True. Away? Did I say it right? Oh, the other thing that's super funny is he demolishes bacon. Super funny. We went out to breakfast like a week ago, and he had 5 strips of bacon, like adult-sized. Eh? I already told you guys that he calls the one restaurant we usually go to the bacon store. Cracks me up. Like, kid-sized bacon would be like it maybe in a kid's meal. You know what I'm saying? He like ate. It was from an adult breakfast. Bacon salty, right? Yeah, he had to drink a lot of water that day. I remember then you've just picked up Go. No, I've written Go. I've written quite a bit of Go. But I'll probably be rusty today. But that's okay. Get it? Is Go your go-to lang? No. Primary lang depends on the problem. Endo functor. There's a Rust lib to render in the terminal. Yeah, we have to do it in Go. If a Go dev is rusty, they get thrown out. No, they just get so angry they quit coding. Oh, nice, man. Very cool. Are you going to use Charm? Yeah, we are. This is for terminal shop. So it's like we're already using Charm and stuff. Why do we have to have it in Go? The rest of the project's in Go. Yum, yum, yum. I didn't see at 16. Nice. That's sweet, Barrett. Opsteam wouldn't budge. Yeah. Unfortunately, Dak said, it's too hard to deploy services. Oh, so much for SST being able to do whatever you want. I can't even add OCaml to the mix. I'm all done with my silverware here. I'll put it over here. Do it in JavaScript? No one will know. No. Ow. Silverware? Software, true. Dissociate yourself like a Chad. I can't. Dax is the one doing it. I don't want to have to know what it is, how we deploy things, because then I have to be responsible. He's jealous of my hair. That makes sense. I'm jealous of his beard, though. So it kind of goes both ways, you know? Do you trust Dax? Like, on what scale? I have knowledge only for basic C syntax. You could use Go, Energy, or JavaScript is fine, too. To handle the ball? No. No, I don't think I do. I think it would be a mistake. No, we're talking about Dax's in Daxer. Would you let him feature Sun Jalapeno? Sure. Basketball infrastructure, very two different areas. Exactly. With my deeper secrets, Dax already has enough to, you know, cancel me up and down Twitter. The amount of good things I've said about Go behind closed doors, oh my goodness. It would be game over. My credibility. Finished. Have you tried Nim? I haven't. We could maybe try it sometime. Alright, almost done, chat. Ew, unfollowing, exactly. A balding ginger, as in the Odin man himself? Is that the right username that I'm thinking of? Or are there just a lot of balding gingers out there? Some making programming languages, some not. No, that's the balding ginger. Oh, dang. That's tough. Ginger Bill, that's right. Oh, right. He's not. Yeah. Only the baldest of gingers. True. Assembly best lang. I don't know about that. Hey, Jordan. Balding ginger sounds like a comedy special. It does. It definitely does. What do you think about new Snapdragon X PCs? I have no thoughts about hardware, basically. I'm no longer balding. As in it's now past tense? Or what? I respect just going clean shaven. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. To be honest, I thought I was pretty much gonna lose all my hair by now. I love my dad. Great relationship with him. Dad, hopefully you're not watching right now. But my dad held on to his hair a little too long. And I always thought, I gotta get married early so we can be safe. You know, we gotta like lock in. You know, we gotta lock it in. But it turned out it wasn't an issue. I'm just saying. By your maternal grandfather. My mom's adopted, unironically. So that's a little tough to know. And an archaeological Avenger, what would you like to unravel the mystery of? How did they build the pyramids? How many people are adopted in the US? I don't know. More than 14. That's how many my grandparents adopted. Once again, not a joke. It just sounds like a joke in the situation. But that's real. The pyramids are literally impossible without that. That's what I'm saying, Nightshade. Where did Atlantis go? Maybe want MATLAB afterwards? That seems like a downgrade after C. Pyramid was built one block at a time. Doesn't adoption cost a lot of money, though? Well, it's kind of complicated. A lot of them, I don't really want to go into it too much. It's not my story to tell. But short answer is a lot of them were they had to be removed from their original families. Not really fun stream topics. So, yeah. So, anyways. So, yeah. So, grew up with a just wide range of stuff going on in the family and other stuff like that. But, yeah. 14, yeah. These consulting rates are too high for them to have been involved. That does seem kind of reasonable. Just use a triangle system. True. Learn Haskell. It's just like MATLAB. It's all math. They're pretty much the same. Can we integrate game engines in Neovim? Prime's doing that right now, Pranav. I'd just say, like, if I had to pick just one archaeological thing, right? Pyramid seem like it would be good. Have you tried Jai? I haven't tried Jai yet. Have a braai with? I don't know what that is. So yeah, I had a lot of uncles and aunts. Yep, hunt. Yeah, tons of them. Very fun, super fun. My grandparents lived close to where we lived, so I got to see all my aunts and uncles a lot. It's great. My mom's the oldest, and then I'm the firstborn. So like, it was kind of a big deal, you know, when I was born. Not saying like celebrity status or anything, but you know, not a royal baby, but you know, similar kind of idea. Rye is a type of barbecue. Nice. Well, that sounds good. Vibe is doing great. Yeah, I really respect and love my grandparents a lot. They're awesome. Where is like Q specification? Like that's kind of what I want, you know? It's got 7 brothers and sisters because I have a lot of cousins. Yeah. Change the balance of the world. Drew. Small, just a little bit of a big deal. Yeah. So I just think my grandparents are awesome. I love them a lot. They're still around, still kicking. I was just hanging out with my grandpa last week, actually. Freemasons founded a lot of it. Little they know. Beautiful near grandparents. It's true. That's why I moved back to the area. Both sets of my grandparents live nearby, which is awesome. I get to see them quite a bit. And my kids get to see their great grandparents, which is awesome. Pretty hard to put, you know, a value on that kind of, or like what am I trying to say? It's hard to know what you would even trade for that kind of situation. If it's available to you and everyone has, you know, good relationships and whatnot. So there's more Teach cousins than OCaml users. True. If only I could convince them all to use OCaml. That would have been a strong start for us, you know? That would have been a really strong start. All right, so where can I just read? There's got to be like, what is even the spec of these? You know what I'm saying? Why OCaml? Because I love it. OCaml mentions, what's up, Dylan? Stop or I might get swatted. What? Probably have to buy? Add to cart? What the heck is this? Yeah, I think probably what we should do is QR encode. QR code. I don't know. I feel like that's what I want. Like, what am I looking for? I just want to see. There's not like you can't just have the spec anywhere. Yeah, you really do have to buy the ISO thing. There's no algorithm here. Is it taboo that I don't know OCaml? Oh no, it's pretty common. Many such cases. But you should say, don't know OCaml yet. That's what you're looking for. Have you checked new Go iterators? I haven't yet. That's what you should be saying. Here's error correction. So it's like, okay, so I know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Risks, references. I mean, I know that there's already a Golang QR code thing here. And it can generate like a picture. But I need it to generate some text sequence. OCaml is inevitable. Exactly. Am I going to jail in this chat? No. The person with the longest theme song is also a Haskell fanatic. Jordan should be included in the list of... Barrett, you're not wrong. It's like, okay, we could probably go... Like, we could probably just look at this. Where... Okay, where is this? How do I go to... There we go. QR code. Main. Nope. Like, where are they getting the spec to build this? You know what I'm saying? Did they buy the same thing? Like, did they buy the RFC as well? Do I have to buy? I mean, I can buy it, I guess, is fine. I mean, I don't really like that I'm buying it, you know? Like, kind of feels lame. Pick. Yeah, Pick is the warden here. Somebody uploaded the whole document on GitHub. Is it legal for me to view it? I'm not going to put it on screen if it's not legal. I mean, how much did it cost, chat? Charge Dax for it? Okay, now we're talking. I do hate, like, paying for this, but at the same time, it's kind of like, okay, I get it. Check out. I don't want to sign in to know how much money it is. What? ANSI Web Store.
I mean, look at
$200?
1, 2, 3, A, B, C.
$200? Well, let's see here. Numeric 3, 1, 2, 3, alphanumeric 2, ZZ, byte 4, blah blah blah. The Pirate Bay. Well, I'm not gonna do that. Gotta buy the spec. That's pretty lame. Maybe we can get the spec from basically here. Get the terminal coming card. True. Was that jail time? For you, it would be, Nightshade. $200? No way. That's what I'm saying. How do you even know if you did a good job with this? You know what I mean? Like, is there like a test case thing? Like, what? You know what I mean? Like 2 cents in church streamer money. I don't think so. Maybe for Prime, sure. Manual testing with QR code reader, I guess. Oh, that's the one. That's the one that I saw earlier. Like, how can it even be legal for this to be here? You know what I'm saying? You can probs node QR code. Yeah, I mean, I can also, there's also a Go one. You know what I'm saying? We could work through this. QR codes are square, size may vary. So basically, there's a couple things I would like to add if it was possible. I'd like to do some stuff here. Let's write, we'll give ourselves a readme here. What do we call this again? Kerfefe? That's right. Desires, right? If terminal is large enough, put fun text in the middle, right? Obviously, like, needs, we'll do needs and wants. It's a good thing to do. To be able to generate a QR code in the terminal. Smiley face, right? So I did see GQR code. I think this is the one in Go as well, right? Ooh, Friedrich Smart. I think I saw this already. Does this output to the terminal though? Oh, that's pretty cool. New shell does it too. Just create a better QR code generator is free. Oh, it is. It is. It is. All it's going to cost us is our time, chat. So these are some of the things I'd like to be able to do, right? Let's just see here what we're doing, right? New plugin QR. Oh, well, we don't want to read the Rust one. It'll take us 3 times as long to understand what's going on. Oh, that's nice though. This one does it in the terminal. Okay. I kind of want to, well, let's just, no, not the generation, the specification. Even worse. Hey, Fo, by the way, thanks for the sub. I don't think I said thanks. Thank you. I appreciate it. Because I want to be able to do kind of similar to this goofy idea. Stable Diffusion is QR, but it's probably quite, it's okay. It's okay. I kind of want to write one. I want to explore it. We'll see. We'll try for a little while. We'll see if it's terrible. You know? Finder patterns, alignment patterns, timing patterns. Just module that's always dark, placed on the 9th column. I bet you never noticed it. I did not notice any of these. Build a Rust 5 CFFI, link to go and integrate via FFI. We could also do that as well. If I was going to do that strategy, I'd try and write it in OCaml and then cross compile it so it could load in and go. What are your use cases for QR code in the terminal? Checkout after you buy coffee from terminal.shop. Like if you just SSH to here, right? And you make a connection and you open up terminal like this, and then you have this situation going on and you can like buy coffee, you know? Like that kind of thing. So I want to have a QR code thing so that you can do self-checkout with your phone. So you don't have to type anything into the terminal. You know what I'm saying? Write QR generating OCaml, right? OCaml to go compiler and OCaml. Now we're talking. This doesn't seem legal. This doesn't seem legal. Did he just scan it all in by hand? This was just this. You see his fingers on every page. Oh my goodness, that's pretty funny, dude. That's pretty funny. We are not gonna use that. We're not gonna use that. Anyways, let's just explore for a little bit. Makes it legal? No, I don't think it's legal just because he has his. I don't think it's legal just because he has his fingers in the pictures, chat. Would you scan a car? It's a good question. All right, let me go pee, and then we're gonna read the spec as much as we can, and then we're gonna do it. Has it been tried, Corey? Chat, you guys gotta understand. We've talked about this before, but we'll just reiterate it so you can chew on this while I go pee. It's kind of a weird sentence. I think that I've never said a sentence like that before, but anyways. The thought is here. iStream. Oh, here. They made a specification. They want your money. Right? iStream, I make things. I want you guys to send me money. So then why would I, particularly on stream, take something that they said should cost money and then do it without paying money? That doesn't seem very good. Okay? Don't live a lie. I'm not watching that clip. I'm probably going to delete it. Encode arbitrary long data and CDR codes. Save them forever. Saves arbitrary amount of data by chaining them together. That's pretty funny. Yeah. is also in confound tables like this one. Error correction table. QR code tutorial. Wait a second. Let's check this one out. Introduction. Okay, interesting. Sure. Well, we can just try. We'll just start. Let's just start, chat. Okay, and let's see where we get. Whoops. How did I just do that? There we go. Oh, interesting. I never tried that before. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. All right. So let's just see here, shall we? Yeah, so we read this part, sizes, error correction. Yeah, we're going to do this one so we can hopefully do goofy stuff in the middle as well. Okay? Many of us recognize QR code, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Capacity. That's fine. We don't need to store very long things, so it's okay. ISO, blah, 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 also known as Latin 1. Today, UTF-8 is more common, but a while ago it wasn't. Basic issue is that UTF-8 can encompass millions of characters. Latin 1 only has 255 symbols. That's it. No emojis, no other alphabets. Want to check if the string is valid, Latin 1, which all of ours should be, because all I really need to do is, I may not need to do every single scenario, right? Nearest terminal is large enough. Like, if we have a large enough screen real estate, I can write messages inside the QR code. Well, you either just get them or use ECI mode. Also, some readers automatically UTF-8 is used instead, but might not be reliable for public QR code. Stay in touch for next part. Encoding the data. Okay. I guess that's this. Stop. Free real estate. It truly is. It truly is. You need to get the correct. So let's just go. I don't know. Whoops. Say encoding.go. I don't know. We'll just call it kerfefe.go to start with, and we'll see where we get to, you know? Okay, so we have encoding mode. How do you even do this again? Const? Or you do like type encoding mode. Int. And then const. Do I do like this or something? What is the trick here? I don't remember what the trick is. But doesn't start at 0? Doesn't start at 0 though, so don't I need to start it at 1 somehow. I thought it was like this. How to start an iota at 1 in Golang. I don't remember. Oh, 1. Oh, wait. No, this is a trick, chat. This is a trick. I was almost bamboozled. I wasn't even looking. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, blah, blah, blah. 1 plus iota. We don't even want to do this anyways. Can I go 001? I'm not going to do it by the PDF because that's stealing. No, byte is 4, right? 0B100. Whoops, not there we go. And do I have to put these for each of them? I don't need to, right? They all go to encoding mode. Byte kanji, which is 8. And ECI, which is 7. Boom. Konnichiwa. What just happened? What was that noise? That was somebody's theme song. That was somebody's theme song, chat. How do you... That's just Go format. It just does it automatically. I think it was Pravan. Wasn't it? Briv, wasn't that you? How can I get a theme song? If you're a subscriber, then you just go bang theme song. And then it tells you what to do. Thought somebody finally hit me up on Discord. I love inside jokes. I'd really like to be a part of one someday. All right. Determining the optimal encoding mode is easily done by checking what characters are included in the string. I would never. That's what I thought. Nope. Hashtag forever alone. Don't do crimes while being recorded. That's another good point though. Just started my Neovip journey. Very cool. What laptop? I'm not using a laptop. I've got a System 76 Thelia. I might subscribe just for that. Feel free. I won't stop you. Kanji characters correctly. I'm no expert in kanji. Just run new ES support for regex. I don't think we even need any of these other ones. So it's like, I don't even care, right? Get encoding mode string. Can I just always say Latin 1? Like, what if I just always return Latin 1 for now, right? Like S, string, encoding mode. And we can just go return. Encoding. Latin 1, right? Wait, what? How is Latin? Where is Latin 1 in here? None of these are Latin 1. What is this? Oh, Latin 1 regex is 0B100, which is bytes. Bytes. Interesting. Or could I just go alphanumeric? Could I just go encoding alphanumeric for now? No, because we're going to have slashes. We're going to need to be able to do like kerfefe test go. Right, like test encoding modes. Kerfefe. Yeah, that's the joke we're doing there. T run, sure, that's fine. Nice. Okay, cool. Let me look at this. Alphanumeric won't work, right? Because we need to encode URLs. And slashes aren't numbers or alphabets. Funniest newbie code mistake you've ever made? Funniest. It's hard because there's so few of them. Oh my... Drowning. Drowning leet. Thank you. Delete a repo, never done that. I've actually never dropped a database either. So few of them. Interesting name, but thank you for the 5 gifties. Yeah. I really appreciate that. That's kind of you. I don't know that I've really seen you around very much. You've never spoken. Interesting. Someone made this. I'll take the 5 gifties though. Prime would read that name before knowing what he said out loud. Yes. Yes. That's for sure. From you! 5 months. Thank you. What up, Matthew? Are you just going to color the background squares against foreground? Kind of, yes. Who are you and what did you teach? Now did you never write Go? Believe it or not, I've made money with Go. All right, so we'll come back to this part later. I don't really care. For right now, we can just say, what if we just say it's always Latin, which is fine with me. We'd get in coding mode. This is 4. That's what we want, right? Oh, drowning income. Right. Like he's filthy rich. I got it. Okay, I'm with you now. Now you're unemployed with Go. Ironic. No, this is for my startup. My coffee company that we've been out of stock for a long time. A drowning income? I don't know what could that be? It feels like there's nothing weird about that. Let's aim for smallest version possible since 23 characters long. Check your various tables. We're gonna need at least version 2 code, and then we got highest powerful correlation. Let's skip saying that. Pick. I feel like I'm surprised you're the one counseling me to stop. Suffering from success again? True. Classy Twitch. Exactly, John. Exactly. What font is that? The bot works. Let's go. Are y'all looking for a bean? Actually, Dylan, we've got it almost all sorted out now. We got some samples. We tested out a bunch of different blends. We're ready to go, which is nice. These aren't PDFs. QR code or links or no, that aren't PDFs. Yeah, if you've got other examples, that's good. We can go through it. What's the coffee app actually about? No, like literally you're going to be able to buy coffee in the terminal. Ideally, we've been working hard to get this set up so that it's going to be, you order it and then probably like 1 day a week is the day that we'll roast. Ooh, nice. 1 day a week is the day that we'll roast. But we're going to ship it ideally within 24 to 48 hours after roasting. So it's going to be like super, super fresh. Why not just give them a payment link in the terminal? We are going to do that. But this is also, would it not be fun to get a QR code in the terminal and then pay from your phone? I mean, isn't that not fun? Write it in OCaml? Can't? Because Dax doesn't want to deploy it. Fun is a good reason. Exactly. Have you ever tried Mate? I have not. I'm not the biggest QR fan, but I feel you. Well, right. It won't be forced on you to do a QR code, right? Oh, yeah. That's funny. Step-by-step process. Analyze Unicode characters. Number of points in 17. Details. Hello world. Alphanumeric. Yeah, so all of these are fine, right? So then you say, okay, bytes. Yep. So we create a data segment. Convert each character to bits. For numeric and alphanumeric modes, consecutive characters grouped together before encoded into bits. For byte mode, a character produces 8, 16, 24, or 32 bits. 500. So when Pokemon cookies. We will someday, I think, have a broke boy blend. Yeah, but Dylan, I want it to run in the same like process as the rest of the app. You know what I mean? There's no reason to do a network request to generate the QR code. You know what I'm saying? What are you targeting with this kind of approach? Let me tell you something. We're currently targeting the people who would watch Twitch streamers write code, perhaps even implementing a QR code specification. You know? Anybody know anybody like that? Terminal coffee stuff with? It's me, Dax, the Primogen, Adam.dev, and Dave. I feel called out. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Your C-Course one. I'm working on it a lot right now. Please tell me you'll ship to the EU. It may be that we allow people to ship to the EU, but you'll just have to know that it's not going to be as fresh. We're sort of working on that idea still. Yogurt, though, by the way, thank you for the bits. I answered your question when I say thank you. Doesn't ring a bell, exactly. Might seriously consider buying you if I can do it from internal. That's literally the only way to buy it. Like there's no website. Is you can only buy it from the terminal. Are you researching or not? We're learning. How's Terminal Coffee Project going? We've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes for like an actual launch and stuff, so it's great. Dropshipping from Orbit. That's right. That's not going to be happening. Yeah. It's just fun, chat. You want to order coffee. You generally order coffee maybe every month or something. Why not order it from the terminal and smile? That's literally the pitch. And then we're going to try and make it really good coffee. That's what we've been working on, is to get it super fresh. I just want to interrupt the presentation, order coffee from... That makes sense, Steve. When will you buy a Lambo? Hopefully right after Laracon. Hopefully just being next to them will give us everything we need. Convert each character to bits for alphanumeric. Let's go back. This one is interesting though. So okay, so for byte mode 8, 16, or 32 bits. This says what? That this is going to be. They created single segment mode byte count 17 bytes, data 136 bits long. How does it know whether it's going to be what size? If you're in your backyard, no, not yet at least. Lambo by osmosis. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. Can we have an NVIM plugin? As we get a little further, I really want to make a telescope plugin where you can filter them, but we're just not there yet. We got to get the actual normal workflow going first, but I really want to do a telescope plugin to like search through and stuff like this. We also don't have enough blends right now for that to really make sense. We're only gonna have 4 different ones. The US one. Yeah, Matthew. To build a DevOps before we charm and SH, you guys inspired. Oh, nice, Yogurt. Very cool. Oh, you're back to YouTube chat. Okay, got it. Broke boy bun pitch. JS broke a boy. You cry. That's funny. For some definition of normal, is anything live? I mean, you can SSH to terminal.shop and you can see what the experience looks like. Right? Here, this is what it will look like. You can see like your card, and we'll be doing payment, shipping, confirmation, all this stuff, right? With escape to go back. So you can SSH there and like see what it's going to look like, but we don't have the new blends ready to ship yet. That's what we've been working on, a bunch of other stuff like offline. That looks so cool. That's kind of the goal. It's kind of the goal. You know what I'm saying? Like, we want it to be fun. This is the whole point. Where did this go? No, not this one. Where was the one we were working at the start? Oh, this one. Here we go. Let's turn this into any function. Linked bits. 10, 12, 14, 9. What is this? Okay, I see. The first 4 bits of our data strings are 0, 1, 0, 0 are encoding mode. Then we'll tell how long our string is going to be. We need a table again for that, as the amount of bits reserved for this value is variable. Okay. What are these different versions for? It's pretty obvious. Just look at it. It's always sold out. True, Pick. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yeah. It's using Charm. Do you remember it as well, or just from the... Use before at all. Add 2 terms over Charm. That's it. Yep, that's the one. Basically, it's math, lore, math, log 2, but much faster. Why do you need to do much faster? We need to do this much faster. We're generating 1 billion QR codes a second. We need a table again for that, as the amount of bits reserved for this value is variable. So I want to do byte mode, and I want to say 8, 16, 16. So I'm not sure what version I need to do. I don't really get it. Is 8, we'll need 8 bits, and 23 is 0, 1, is 1, 0, 0, 0. So our first bits are, this is our first 4. Then we say, I'm not sure what this means. Version 1. Are you using Bubble Tea? Yeah, we are. I guess I've been looked at a few times, wondering on your experience, if any. I haven't used Gleam yet, Matthew. No. What's up, Babu? John. Transfer from Python to Go work. So it's part of it. Chat is just the fun for it right now. Seems like a fun thing to learn. I've always kind of been interested how do QR codes work. We'll see what's going on. You know. I don't really get this though. How do I know what version I'm doing? Like, why would I not choose version 40? Is version 40 the best? I don't know. I don't know if it's the best or not. Just use the latest. So I should just use 40. Higher number, better. That's what I feel like. Mode. Mode index is 31 minus mat. Like, where are they getting this? It depends on the string size. Yeah, rock seems cool. Making QR code generator is part of my cloud computing course, and it was a nightmare to scale. Nice PT. Checkout. I wonder how payments would work in terminal. I can't do it myself. Well, I'm not going to show you how checkout actually works. I'm not going to type my stuff in. You would just, right now, the way you would do it is you would type your credit card info in just like you would on a website, right? What I'm trying to do is I'm going to add QR code things. So you could do like mobile checkout, or we're also going to probably add like a way to click and go into Stripe checkout. Dark roast battery? No. I like mine a lot less roasted than that. You choose it according to the string size, the version. Get length bits is 8. We'll need 8 bits and 23. Apple Pay, Google Pay? I don't know. You need to build a CLI Stripe client. That's kind of what we're doing. We already did that for the first round. Like, you could pay through Stripe. We're trying to add more options for people so they don't have to like type their stuff into the terminal. I get why people don't want to type their credit card info into the terminal. You know what I mean? I get it. I get why you wouldn't want to type your credit card there. That's fine with me. PayPal integration when? I think there's a way to do it with Stripe, so we could add it later. You might not want that as well. Well, we don't save it. We just send it to Stripe and get back a token and then use it. Like the same way you would on a website, right? It's like we don't save any of the info. But yeah. That's fine. Okay, so next the real data. We'd go in string in ISO this. So this is just like ASCII versions of all these more or less for simple characters, I think. Now convert everything to binary, concatenate it. Now we have to put a termination block, which is actually 4 zeros. So the last is 1111 000. Okay, cool. Yeah, I know, I'm aware. Well, as a payment processor, we're not a payment processor. You like, what do you guys think like a store does? Like you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, well, payment processor is very different. How to connect to the shop? SSH terminal.shop, but nothing's there yet. Nothing's there right now. I mean, we sold out of the first batch, right? So build the remaining code word sequence 111000, which translates to 23617. Okay, so this still doesn't. I'm still not 100% sure on this. Let's go back to this one and we'll check this. This part all makes sense to me. The created single segment is mode is byte, count 17, and data is 136 bits long. So that part's not super crazy, right? Because it's basically 16 times. That'd be 16 times 8, right? Wait, why is it 136 bits long? Where are we at right now? We're still learning about the very beginnings of it. There are different PCI complex. Anyways, it's yeah. Dax knows what he's doing for that part. If you use the CC details using your own form for collection. Well, that's chat. Dax knows what he's doing for this. He's done it a bunch of times. It's not a big deal. It's whatever. 17 characters times 8. Oh yeah, 0. Kek W. Okay. Demo always creates a single segment for simplicity, but it's possible to segment text optionally. We don't care about that. If you could order takeaway coffee from Turnblad, it takes it to you quickly. We're a few orders of magnitude away from that. Yeah. Yep. No worries. Okay, so this makes sense. So we created a data segment. I'm always going to do the simple way for right now. That seems fine. Fit to a version number. Total bit length needed to represent the list segments, depending on version. Number of bits. 148, 156, 156. Number code words. A code word is defined as 8 bits, also known as a byte. Okay. Total bit length needed to represent the list of segments. Wait, so does this mean this is like almost as far as it can go? I don't really get it. Data code words per version, error correction level, whether data fits. Green. Chosen version number 1. Oh, nice. Nice, cool, Steve, yeah. If an on-device wallet service shares the browser cache and recognized payment URL string, set a href prompt will set otherwise other link before forward nowhere. Oh, that'd be interesting, John. Yeah. How would you handle a show Loris type of DDoS in the terminal shop? I'm not sure. I don't know why people would want to DDoS us. GDPR. Well, we're literally not saving anything, so it's simple. Like, we literally don't save anything. So it's pretty simple when you don't save anything. We're not looking to serve you ads or sell anything of your others. We just want to sell you coffee, you know? Can I send you my public key? Sure. But that's what I'm saying, you know what I mean? Like, it's just literally like we just have Stripe do everything. That's like, they're really good at it. Code words defined as 8 bits. QR code capacity of data keywords per version and error correction level and whether data fits. Okay. I don't even know. What are they saying? 1934. What are these jumping up by? 21, 25? I think we are unaware of what's going on here. Maybe we do need to buy the spec. That kind of sucks. I want to actually understand it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. We don't. The other thing is, like, we literally don't want to know anything about you guys except to send coffee, right? It uses charm stuff. No enlargement bill ads. We don't need to know anything about. Just ask ChatGPT. That's probably not a bad plan. Like, ChatGPT probably does know for this case. Yeah, well, we can just ask ChatGPT. Match terminal cookies. Yeah, exactly. Okay. How does a QR code... how does the QR code algorithm pick which version to encode a string with? Terminal cookie consent. Ugh. TikTok takes everyone day to hear people worry about TJ and Prop. True. Each QR code has the maximum data capacity according to the amount of data. Okay. Calculate the encode based on number of characters. I want highest error correction, just every time probably. Find the smallest version and check if it can accommodate. Increment the data version until one fits. Give an example of how to encode https:/example.com. Yep. So that part I already get. Bytecode. Medium. Refer to QR code capacity table for byte mode and error correction level M. Table in case version 1 can upload 14 bytes in byte mode with error correction level M, which is insufficient. For 18 bytes, we need to check higher version. Version can hold 26 bytes in byte mode with error correction level M. Byte mode. Characters for 18 characters. This is 18, right? That's 2 and 16. Yep. Just GPT give you an example. Yeah, it's good. For a QR code, I'm sure there's like a billion different articles about this. You know what I mean? Do you think about generating QR code normally as an image and then converting that to ASCII? Yeah, I just don't really. I don't think I want to do that. What's your opinion on non-code devs? I don't even know what you mean. Convert each character to its 8-bit primary representation. That part's easy as well. Combine all the parts. Concatenated is here. Add error correction code words. Read Solomon. Construct the file. Arrange the data and error correction code words in the final QR code structure according to QR version code 2 and apply masking. Show me step by step how version 2 was selected. No, no code devs. I still don't mean. Byte capacity 14 M26. Where is this table? Did I miss this table here? Reed Solomon. Yeah, we got some stuff. We got devs who compose code instead of writing it. I don't even know what you guys are talking about now. Where did you find the QR code capacity table? Oh, some of these we probably could just copy from the other Go from here, right? We should just clone this down because some of this we can probably copy. And that would probably be helpful for understanding. Oops. Version. Character capacity. Nice. Bang age. I'm 30. If that helps at all. If that's what you're asking. You mean milliseconds, right? Data encoder type block. Code data is multiple blocks. Block is number of blocks, some code words, some ints. QR code version. 1 low data encoder block, 12619. Interesting. This doesn't have like the table though, does it? Version bit sequence. QR code is version 700, 18 bits. That is in fact a banger age. Thanks, I think so as well. Me, I'm 8,035 days. Ooh, nice. Bang relationship status. Happily married for, let's see, what year is it right now? 2024. It'll be 9 years at the end of the summer. 2 bits for error correction. Got it. 3 bits for the data mask pattern identifier. I'm doing great, Kev. Good to see you. How are you doing? Married for 9 years and 30? Yep. My wife and I mean, we weren't married at the time. We started dating when I was 15. 21 so early? Yeah, it's kind of early for some people. I mean, yeah. For us, it was the right time. I get terminal scheme everything on my Windows terminal. No idea. Character capacities. Version mode and error correction. Byte mode. Okay, so it's like we go here, 24. You always have to pick the smallest one. Thanks, Bankster. What is dating? I don't understand. That's the right pick. Someday you'll figure it out, buddy. I'm sure you're going to meet someone who's really interested in Arch and Haskell, just like you. You're 21. That was 34 years ago. Dang. Nice. When did you start coding? 20. I'll have to look it up in AUR exactly. Okay, I got it. I gotcha. So if I wanted to do where, okay, so there's gotta be somewhere where it says like, here's the numbers, right? Where is he getting like, hey, I need to find out the version that I'm gonna do. Data encoder type 1 to 9, type 10 to 26. There's what? Oh, this seems so annoying. Maybe we should copy more of this. Why do devs not use Windows except game devs? I think Linux is great. Uninstall Arch, I don't understand. Yeah, exactly. Classify data modes. Optimize data modes. Optimize length. It's very interesting though. So there's different ones for each of these. Interesting. What? Why? Oh, because they have different bit sets? No, those are all the same. QR is pain to implement. Yeah, we may end up just sort of saying like, okay, can we fork this QR code generator to do it in terminal? That would also be fine. Plenty of khaki devs use Windows. I'm just surprised that I was trying to figure out where is this? Is this like, is there a formula for this? But at the same time, then I'm thinking maybe that's, oh no. This seems so annoying, dude. This seems so much better in OCaml. So many of these things seem just like, yep. Yeah, I like this in OCaml instead. Yeah, we can cheat because like all I want to do with mine is only needs to generate QR codes for like URLs with we'll say like, you know, ASCII characters. Right, so mine's like a simplified version. Like we don't have to even pretend kanji exists or other, because all we need to do is do it for our QR codes. And so it's like we only need to implement byte mode. Like we don't need to even do numeric mode or alphanumeric mode, right? We can just do byte mode. It's like, okay, this is cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. See, that's weird. Those are all the same. So why would it not be? Weaves are in shambles. So true. But I want to show off that I know some kanji. I learned it from my favorite anime. It's just different length based on version. Oh, different length based on the version. These all looked exactly the same though, but okay. Number, byte, count bits. Here. Okay, maybe we'll go back to the Thonky one. This one does seem quite a bit more like... This one seems quite a bit more like, okay, this is a real tutorial. I'll be able to actually understand what's going on here, right? So let's start back to here. All right, we'll start back at the beginning here. Large Cube Pro 21 by 21 pixels, largest are 17 by 7. Oh, I see. Okay, so different ones are going to have to do different, right? Of course. Like a longer one might have to generate a larger QR code. Nice. The 177 is version 40. Oh, 21 here. Got it. They each get a little bigger each time here as well. In addition, QR codes include error correction. When you encode the QR code, you also create some redundant data that will help a QR reader accurately decode even if part of it's unreadable. Yes. Nice. Okay, capacity of a given QR code depends on the version and error correction level. This part all makes sense so far. I've already gotten this. I also didn't realize that you could just like drop 30% of the QR code and it would still work. You know? Like, that's pretty cool. I always wondered how they put little images inside. I thought, how does it read it? It just literally skips it. Ugly. This is peak efficiency. That's why logos work, right? QR standards 4 modes of encoding. Yep, that part makes sense. Therefore, first you need data analysis, and we're just gonna say, oh, we'll just always do bytes. Now that you have selected appropriate encoding, the next step is to encode the text. Yep. Error correction coding. Yep. Structure final message. Yep. Module placement. After generating the data code words, you must place the bits in the QR code matrix. Code words are arranged in the matrix in a different way. During this step, you will also place the patterns, such as boxes on the 3 corners. Okay, cool. All right, let's try. We're going to do this. This one seems great. What is this? Thonky. Video game guides and more. It's the most random website of all time. It's just like, hey, do you want to learn about Tears of the Kingdom guide? Also, here's how you write a QR code generator. That's so awesome. What an awesome website. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Like, that is awesome. All right, so the 4 encoding modes include the following characters. Right, so we're going to do byte mode. That's fine. Although I wonder if we could just do... Oh, some won't support this, so we'll skip that one. Yeah. All right, note about kanji mode, we can skip because we're going to skip. Note about UTF, we also probably can skip. Yeah. But we're only supporting phones, which will support it. Oh, so would it be easier? Is it going to be easy for us to do UTF-8 mode, or is it easier to do byte mode? Is to put the byte order mark before the input text. Some QR code will read the byte order mark and understand the text is UTF-8. Because I'll do whichever one's easier, you know what I mean? I don't care about choosing the most efficient one. Is it possible to use multiple modes in a single QR code by using the mode indicator before each section? Got it. Yep, that's fine. Examine the codes. Yeah, okay, so this part's fine. So for us right now, we're just going to say, we're just going to do byte mode. Whoops. The Wheel of Time chapter summaries. No. That makes me like it even more. No, because you guys know I'm a huge Wheel of Time fan, right? Where's the about? News? Where is about? Just slash about. Not about. No. Oh my goodness. I found my new favorite website, chat. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Oh. I'm in love. I'm in love, chat. All right. Let's try this. Each encoding mode is designed to create shortest possible string of bits. Each uses a different method for converting input strings. Text display data encoding. Okay. Here goes read Solomon error correction. This process creates error correction code word bytes based on the encoded data. A QR code reader can use these error correction bytes to determine if it did not read it, and error correction can do it. We're only gonna do H probably, but that's fine. What up, Amab? Welcome. Oh, welcome, welcome. Okay, so I guess we should do like type error correction level. It doesn't say what they are, right? So I can just do error correction low, medium. Oh, but no, these also need to be numbers. They're also going to be numbers. There's got to be this. There has to be a good read Solomon already implemented for like for Golang, right? I should be able to just copy that. I would hope, maybe at least. Well, we'll just do error correction. I think it's error correction high. Was it high next and then highest? What is Q? Oh, it's quartile? Oh, I guess that's what it is. Okay. Oh, because it's 25%. Got it. That's funny. It knew. Config. I think it's under dot files, maybe. Yeah. There you go. Higher levels of error correction are more bytes, so the higher the error, the larger QR code will have to be. I think that's okay. We also, well, we'll just have to see. To From smallest version. Okay, so different sizes of QR codes are called versions. There are 40 versions available. Nice. Smallest version is version 1, and it goes all the way to 40. Okay, so this makes way more sense, because before I thought versions were like, oh, this is QR code V30. What up, Sergeant Pepper? But it's actually that, what's Cody? Yeah, it's a thing that I worked on at SourceGraph when I was working there. Copilot alternative. It does chat and some other stuff too. Party of me. It counts.
Man,
Counts.
camera.
Each version has a maximum capacity depending on the mode in use. In addition, the air cushion limits the capacity further. This is the capacity of all QR codes and levels. Is there like a nicer version of this? It counts. Okay, we'll sort this part out later. Right, we could easily macro this into something. Because it's basically like, okay, what do you have here? You have the air level. Oh, that's super annoying that like they're like this though. Is there a way to keep my Go Please LSP running between the opens and closes of NeoVim? The way I guess that you would there's no like easy way to do it. We could do this with a Vim macro. Yeah. Because like what would I do here? We'll just try, okay? So we'll go here. I'll try this. We'll say caret GCC delete. So we need to do this because they're different after each one. Whoops. Because there's 3 of them. Oh, whoops. I need to do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we messed one up? Really? Oh, did I do it too early or should there be 4? Oh, I did it wrong. Dang it. Here, we can do this though. And then we just basically need to copy. Oh, that's not going to work at all. Oh, we scuffed it though. Okay, watch this. I got a new strategy. Ready? Ready for this? Olavo! Okay, here, ready for this, chat? Okay, we'll try a new one. We're gonna do embedded macros this time. But we need to change this to be like this. We'll just do this time. You can edit macros, but in that case, it was a little too weird to do. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna start this macro here. Q, A. Go here, go to the word, delete this. Okay. Now, we're gonna go back to here. Can I record a macro inside of another macro? Oh, I did it backwards. Oh, okay. I will try it again. Ready? Okay, so we'll record macro S here. And in this case, what are we going to do? We're going to go to the beginning. We're going to delete the line. We're going to put one here. We're going to go here, comma, boom, 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 boom. So if I do at S, whoops. If we go at S, at S. Yeah, nice. Okay, so now we go undo all these, right? Watch this. Okay, ready? So we're going to try this. So now we're going to do QA. What are we going to do? We're going to go here, delete this, because there's a random line that is here, right? Now what we can do is we're going to go to the beginning, and now we do at S, at S, at S. At S. Boom. Pop this here. Boom. 4J. Boom, boom, boom. 5J. Boom, boom. Bop. Yep. See, because there's an extra one here. So we have to handle this one separately. Now, could we have done this a different way? I'm sure we could have, yeah. But too bad. I think we scuffed something though. I think we scuffed something. What did we scuff?
So I read through the entire Neovim user manual in one 10-hour stream.
Oh, okay. We need to start on this character. We need to start on this character. Okay. So here, watch this, chat. We'll just record whoopsies. We'll record D. We'll do at A. Record that here. No, we'll go here and put a comma. Boom. We'll go down again. Then we'll go here. Oh, 30 at D. Boom. Nice, chat. Nice. Nice. We did miss a few of these though. That's unethical levels of macro. Don't I need to go like have you tried using VS Code instead? Alavo. That's gonna be a timeout. You didn't even censor. Is your boot dev course ready? It's not yet, no. Well, how can I do this again? Can I even do this here without this? I go var x invalid composite literal type, right? Because this needs to be like because actually what we want to do is we want to say something like, what is this type? I guess we'll say type I don't know, correction limit is struct is like numeric int alphanumeric int int byte int and kanji int, like this, right? And then this is like a list of correction limits, right? Then this is like level, and then it's each of the levels, right? It's kind of weird. It's like level 0, 1, 2, 3, right? This is like low, medium, high, right? Low, medium, yep. And then this is 1 to 40. So you can make it real quick and you know how to do it. It's not exactly right, but yeah. But this is each of the things, right? Multiple cursors, control click. But I think this just sold me. There's literally only one rule. Exactly. Just bits. Hey, thanks, KJ. I just missed the bits. I was too busy focusing on my macros. Oh, we're back. We're back. I'm freezing. Is something wrong?
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
Nightshade, I feel like we need it to be 50-50. It plays this clip or the clip of Biden like dancing, but not dancing. Everyone else is dancing and he's just doing this.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
You guys know the one I'm talking about? You know the one I'm talking about? The one that just happened? It's the real pick. Yep. Do you guys know the one? It was so bad. Oh, it was so bad. Oh, man. Okay. Anyways. So this is high. Or this is low, medium. Yeah, okay. This one's good. This one's good. We need a cue for over the shoulder smirk. It's that one. It's that one. Oh my goodness. I forgot. Is this Gigantify Nemo? What is this? How did that happen? Huge. How did this happen? What? Is this the new Twitch thing that everyone's really mad about? That's the one everyone's mad about, right? Yo, Tracer, thanks for the sub as well. It's the new thing, yeah. Oh, cost me 30 bits. Is that 30 cents, dingus? Right? Basically, yeah. Okay. So, supposedly we have these correct. So we can come back to this side here now. Minus 30. Well, how do I do that? Pick, you have to pay. You go to bits. Pick, you can spam it in like any channel right now. Did they make a way to turn it off yet? I don't think they made a way to turn it off yet either. Like when they released it, they just were like, everyone has to have it on. You can make it expensive, but you have to have it on. Which is, on mobile, it looks normal. That makes sense. Mostly only half implemented features. Sounds about right. Sounds about right. On-screen celebration. Did it just do something for you guys? I didn't even see this. Oh, no. I can't see the screen. I don't watch my screen live. I watch it from OBS. Let me see. Does it show up in clips? They release either. Hey. On. Mostly only, right? You can. Did it just. You can. Where? Features. Sounds about right. Sounds about right. On-screen celebration. Did it just do something for you guys? It does. It doesn't even show on clips. Oh no! It doesn't even show on clips. Paid for nothing. Minus 40. Oh, I see it now. Nice, I see it now because I have my stream. I played my stream now. It's part of the website, not of the video feed. Oh, it's a great feature. I love it. I love it. I'm a big fan. I'm a huge fan. I don't see it at all. Here, I'm sure someone's gonna do it again. I'm sure someone's gonna play it again, right? Gonna do it again right now. I didn't work on it. You don't have to lie to me. I actually don't. So, I actually don't think it's a terrible idea. But it does seem not finished, basically. So you should see it coming right here in 160p for some reason. There you go. I don't know why it's in 160p for a moment there, but oh man, that's what it looks like though, chat. Infinite celebrations. Oh, you can put other people's emotes inside. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. That is terrible. They let you put other emotes in. Who thought that was a good idea? There's no way that's a good plan. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Yeah, but it makes Twitch money. It's making me money right now though. I mean, this is the most bits I've gotten in a day ever. It works in emote only mode. You can put other emotes in it. Oh, that's good. That's good stuff. There's no way it's a good idea. That's a nice theme song, by the way. There's no way that's a good idea to let other streams do it. You know what I'm saying? Not like this. Agreed. Agreed. Seems like a great idea that won't get abused at all. That's what I'm thinking as well, YouTube chat. I'm thinking that seems good. I've seen it used the most by weebs so far. To be fair, I feel like that's how all of the pay to win features are most used. You know, I feel most of Twitch's features are designed to find the whale weebs. I don't think that's even a controversial take. You know what I mean? I think that that's a pretty standard, lukewarm, milquetoast take. Pick as a whale weeb confirmed. True. It's like, what is this? What is this? Weebs and furries, strong market. Yeah. Well, the best is when you pit them against each other. Oh no, weebs. Weebs, don't let the furries win by sending the most emotes. You wouldn't want that now, would you? It only costs 30 bits. You wouldn't want to get behind, would you, weebs? You know, it's like, it's very easy. We can start the Great Weeb Wars. Then if that doesn't work, you can start, since you can apparently send, you know, emotes from anywhere, right? You can now do interweeb wars, right? Where you say like, actually Attack on Titan's probably the best one. Guys, send your best Attack on Titan. Send your best Attack on Titan. We're Weeb War 1. Send your best Attack on Titan weeb emotes. Actually, no, I prefer Bleach over One Piece. And then we'll just get them, chat. File Explorer, do I need it? You should be able to use NetRW. Just like edit dot should work. The interweave. This is TikTok live streaming already. You've got a point, Oscar. Okay, that's true. Teach knows his audience so well. Chad, I've been watching Hunter x Hunter, but I stalled out in the Chimera Ants season. It's terrible. It's so bad. So bad. It's long but worth it. Well, I've never watched the whole thing before. I've literally never used the... You know, Netflix has like a speed modifier. I've never watched a show not at 1x. I've been watching that season at 1.5. Oh no. This is like... What is happening, dude? Clear the chat. Clear the chat. What's your favorite arc? Watching Netflix on greater than 1x is brain rot. That's what I feel like. No, I want it cleared for me.
What is the best way to
Cleared me. I don't want to see this emote anymore. Go next, going. There we go. Thank you, Nightshade. That's better. What's my favorite arc though? I really liked the Greed Island one, but I thought the ending was a little unsatisfactory. Netflix has fast forward. Why? It has fast speed. You can watch it at 1.5x. It's just like built into the player. I've never used it before. I've always thought, why would that be there? And then I encountered the Chimera Ant arc, and I wanted to skip most of it, but I just wanted to see. Can you code in 2x? Yeah. On-screen celebration with animated emotes, that would be cursed. It's coding level Q. The character capacity is the version 1 using Q can hold 16 characters. So version 1 is the smallest version containing the number of characters. Phrases are longer than 16 characters, such as hello there, world, 17 version 2. Okay, I got it. I wanted to see, but I wanted to skip. Exactly. Well, I don't want to miss anything that's important, you know? But I also, it's just not that good. Maybe it ends well, but I've just been bored. But that's great. I just put it on when I'm coding late at night or something. Ice capacity QR code is 40-L. Below is a table that lists the maximum capacity, 7,000. Well, we won't need this many characters. That's fine. Got it, though. I'm with you now. I'm with you now. These are big numbers. We're here. So would you call it a guilty pleasure? I don't think so. I don't feel guilty watching it. I just like it while I'm hanging out and coding casually. Or working on some other stuff. There's 4-bit mode identifier that identifies it. The encoding data must start with appropriate mode indicator. Weebs get it. I don't think watching an anime makes you a weeb. Spamming weeb emotes, that makes you a weeb, though. For sure. Like, certainly watching, like, Hayao Miyazaki does not make you a weeb. That's just great. Why does Twitch not let me do 1.5? Good question. Paying paying bits to spam emotes. Yeah. That's weeb material. All right, numeric mode. Okay, so we need to put these modes. We already have this. We got this part already. Add the character count indicator. Character count, string of bits that represents the number of characters that are being encoded. The character count indicator must be placed after the mode indicator. Furthermore, the character count should be a certain number of bits long, depending on the QR version. Talking about anime? Kind of weeb. Depends how you're talking about it. I'll admit that it's kind of weeb, though. You're on the pathway to weebness, right? You gotta decide when you're gonna get off the train, though. Weeb adjacent. I wouldn't say talking about anime makes you weeb adjacent. Well, in certain anime, perhaps. Gateway drug. See, I don't even know what this one is. I'm sure it's not the best anime, though. With the KEKW afterwards, that's making me nervous. That's making me nervous. We're not gonna Google animes chat suggests, because that's a bad plan.
Really love this idea of Bashtak. I cannot believe.
Many of you already know this. QR Dublin Read did a great job explaining how human read QR codes with certain input data. Okay, interesting. I'll check that out as well. Death Note. It's a good one. It's a good one. First half is better though. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we may have to check that one later. In Hello World, the coding character rolls 11 in binary 1011 padded on the left to make it 9 bits long. Oh, because that's how long it needs to be for that version. Didn't Miyazaki work on Heidi? I don't know. Really recommend people watch when they're asked about what I don't see now, chat. You're saying things that are making me. I'm not gonna read any of the words out loud that you're saying. I'm not gonna read any of the words that you're saying now because you're making me think those aren't good. Heidi's very old TV show is pretty normal. Oh, nice. How far are you in the process? Pretty early. Pretty early. We've been getting slightly distracted, I would say. Chat, need to go touch grass ace stat. All good. Funny is being careful. True. Shout out Bad Cop. Agreed. Version 1 through 9. Numeric mode 10 bits. Alphanumeric mode 9 bits. Okay. In code using select mode. On previous page, data now brochure code. Click. This is the only one that I really care about. So we'll click on byte mode. Wait, but what? Okay, so I guess we'll come back to this page. Shouting at a real boot.dev employee. Co-worker. I'm working on the C one. Oh, that reminds me. I should back up. I feel like you'll like this. Here, let me show this. Boot. CD, courses, content, memory management. Beep, 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 beep. All right, so check this out. Incomplete. Let's say we got this one going. No, not this one. I don't have these mapped yet. This is the GC one, memory management, etc. Let's check instead. We'll check like this main C. This is good. Require boot open diff. I think that's what I called it. Oh, this one's not exciting because they're exactly the same. Oh, because right, I chose main. That's dumb. Let's pick exercise. Oh, these are both the same as well because this one I didn't do anything. Let me pick one that I'm actually working on right now. That was I was working on objects, integer, incomplete. Yeah, here we go. Okay, yeah. Let me go back to integer incomplete because that was one that I was actually working on. Right where I was here. Yeah. Like this. See this? This opens up the corresponding complete to incomplete one in diff mode. Incomplete always goes on the left. Complete always goes on the right. No matter which one you open first. You know what I mean? So you can always see like, this is exactly what I said to do. Yeah, I don't have it in the repo. I was just going to make a separate plugin for it. I can open source the plugin. It's fine too. Yeah. Because there's some stuff like this that I was doing. What else was I doing? Boot. Oh, right. I had some stuff for making new exercises for myself and syncing a complete file across of them. Because basically I was having some frustrations that like I was making the same files in a bunch of places and I wanted to be able to. So this one, I'd have to think about some of these I was just making for me. Right? I was making some of these just for me. But like I have these files. These files should be the same in every single exercise. They're sort of like the lessons that they would install and other stuff like this, right? So all I have to do is I just go and I update this file here, and they can run something and it'll update all of the corresponding ones and all the lessons. Just so I can sort of double check everything if I need to fix anything, all this stuff. So I can push that later. I can show it to you, or I can add you as a contributor or something if you want. What's up, Zerka? Welcome. So, I just thought you'd think this part was pretty cool. I also need one that lets me move to like the next file in a lesson or something. 360 Smart. See, that's a good one. What color scheme? It's my color. Loves and Crow Fast 1 would almost think you were an expert on configuring NVIM. Thanks. Okay, so byte mode encoding. When possible, you should convert your text to this character set. If your string input can be coded this, you may also do UTF-8. That part's fine for now. I don't think we need to worry about it. So many scripts to work with this dumb CMS thing. Don't tell Lane. The thing is, you would have so many dumb scripts to work with any dumb CMS thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, no matter what. It's such as life. You know what I mean? Yeah, I did see I got tagged a lot on the Apple developer NeoVim thing. At Waxline FYI. You made your own color scheme? Yeah. Why not? Alright, so let's try this. So we've got something like type or func, like encode or string 2 bytes or something like this, right? I don't really know. We'll do something like this. And then this is just going to return a new string, right? Like it has to return a string. I'm still reading. I'm reading. Bin folder for the job and put it in path. Yep. Bytes buffer. I guess we could do... And we just do bytes to string at the end. Like, you guys think you would just go like Why is this 2? There we go. That's better. Like, I don't know. We can just say buff. I don't know, something like this, right? And then for string to bytes returns a string. Well, because it's like 2 byte string. Because that's what it's literally that we need to turn this. I should call it byte string maybe instead. Because it needs to return this. Like this is like in. I don't know what I even want to call this yet. What would you do? What would you do for this even? Bytes dot. There's got to be strings to byte, index byte, last index byte, strcon maybe. What or maybe I can do it with oh, that would be so goofy. It's like so stupid, right? But we could just go something like output here output plus equals funct sprintf. But I want this to be like 8, right? And then can I do binary like this? How to get your color scheme? It's described on the colors page. Will this work? Can you cast string to byte array? Oh, and then just put them all like that? I don't know. Would this work? Oh, let's do 2 byte string. S is H, something like this, right? And we can do. Is that even right? That doesn't seem right. H. It should be this, right? Oops. Ah! Oh, that's capital H. You're right. Oh, yeah. We have a bunch of stuff we're not using anymore. That's fine. Okay, sweet. So then if I did hello, it should be each of these together, right? I don't really want to write this. We'll just do these 2 together. Beautiful. Okay. Well, that works. Something like this. QR code will just gets the URL string, turns that into QR code type thing, right? That's how it works, I think. What? Okay, so that's fine. Now we go back to data encoding here. So we get a mode indicator. So we need to have a mode, which is some encoding mode, right? And then we need to have some S, which is some string. And then I guess it's going to return a string, right? Character count. We find that from here, right? And we need to pad that by some amount. A subset of this code is working on needs to maintain a history of the state because reasons. In Rust, other than passing a mutable object around the whole cell, is there any other pattern to handle this? You can use, is it ref cell? Which one is the one that lets you, because you can, one of them allows you to mutate inside and you sort of just have to promise that you're not going to simultaneously access it. Is it ref cell? It is ref cell, right? Mutable memory location with dynamically checked borrow rules, right? So then this lets you not, you sort of like are, you're saying like Rust, just trust me. Runtime checked, yeah. So you could do that. Then you don't have to say that the object's mutable. But you need to be careful, basically. You basically just need to be careful then. Oh, so we would go something like this, right? We would say mode is get encoding mode here. And you say character count. String. Can I just do, I'll just do len of s. Bad. Because I mean, it's like, what if you had, I guess we're not really handling Unicode, so it's fine. I guess it's okay. How do I know how much I need to pad this by? For right now, we can just say character bytes, but this should be 9. Kind of cool. Hey, thanks. How can I trust my code if I don't even trust my code? Smart. Smart. Okay, so then we go byte string. String to byte string of s, and then we return. Oh, right. We got to go mode string. Mode plus character count bytes plus byte string. This is like probably the worst naming of anything that I've ever had. String. Oh, mode string. Whoops. This doesn't even make sense. That's not right at all. Something like that is fine. No, it is Cody that's doing it. You TJ, have you watched Invincible? I've not. Does it crash if you misuse in runtime? RefCell? Yeah, it'll panic, I think. Sometime I want to become a great PTO. What? Okay, so we're saying when we want to do hello world. But this is on alphanumeric. That's kind of annoying. I didn't do anything with this one yet. Oh, I see. So this is why they had different ones for each of these. It's kind of annoying as well, huh? Programmer like you. Oh, hey, thanks. Appreciate that. Okay, so I guess then as well we need to do something goofy with this, which is like this is how many each of these you could do, right? So it's like get count bit length, something like this. I don't know. Or we could just do what did we call that again? We called that character bytes. Encode character count, something like this, right? And we would say version int mode, encoding mode, and I don't know, s string, something like this, right? We're gonna return a string. So then it's like, okay, so if version less than 9, then we're gonna do these. Then else if version less than 27. Oh no, less than 10, right? Yeah. Else if version less than, oh, whoops. That's gotta go there. 41. Else right, okay. Case mode, whoops. Oh, whoops, I mean switch mode. Case encoding numeric. Thumped sprintf. Yeah, 0, 10. I was hoping it was going to complete the whole thing for me. I don't have to type all of this. Well, right now what we can do is we can just... yeah, we'll just do this. So byte mode is 8, right? sprintf 8. And that's kind of the same for each one. Ten, 9, 8, 8. So we'll just do return. But for byte mode, it should be 16 and 16 again for both of those, really. 16, 16. Okay. I think it would be better to stick a static version that answers for your needs. What are you talking about, Calvin? I'm not sure what you're saying. I need to write my... I don't think we can do that, yeah. Anyways, it's fine. This is okay for right now, because I'm not going to do anything besides byte mode. So, alright, so now we want to do... This is encode character count. Right. Encode character count, which this should be... Oh, we need to figure out what the version should be, right? So for right now, we could just do this. Really? These all have return... Oh, I see. Yeah, that's fine. Stupid node. Go have just real enums and just exhaustive matches. Man, this would be so much nicer. No, Camel. These on the bottom, these are Wes term tabs. Didn't I have a... Oh, I didn't add that? Oh, it's one of my favorite ones. Oops. Nice. Okay. Func test encode. Do we have one? What? So over just rear shaman. Okay, well, I wish, dude. Case management makes it so much easier. Yeah. Western tests are actually good. Yeah, I think Western's nice. If you know how long your text will be and which characters it will contain in advance, it would be better to hard code the version instead of trying to detect each time. Well, I don't know what it's going to be every time. We're going to have to, like, I don't know exactly what it's going to look like. I just know it's going to be a URL. Let's go S is, we'll just say he again. We should be able to figure this out. There's no way that this is right, is it? Yeah, I didn't think so.
I know Kung Fu.
Expected. Got. Yeah, okay. So that's fine. Let's figure out what this should actually be. So what we expect to see, this should definitely fit in version 1. So he removes all that. Yeah, well, I thought it was going to suggest something else, so that's fine. It happens sometimes. So we should definitely have encoding mode should just be 0, 1, 0, 0, right? So that should be the beginning. So it should be 0, 1, 0, 0, right? Plus, and then we're going to have some other stuff. So then we say, okay, so what should the character count be? I believe, according to this, it should be 9 characters. It should be, say 9. 9! It should be 9 with funct sprintf 0, 9b 2. Because we have 2 characters, right? And then plus the rest of it. 9! It should be H, whatever H and E is, I guess. Which would be this. But that's not 100% correct yet because we... Oh, whoops. Right. What looks different about these, chats? This tells Go run the tests for like a bunch of things in this folder and recursively. Oh, it should be 8? Oh, it should be 8. Should be 8. Nice, okay. Yeah, we could switch to something that's better, but it's nice if I don't use anything extra, right? I just didn't count, right? So that's good. Just watch the next video.